Looking to elevate your outdoor space with the perfect gazebo? Let's dive into the top 5 gazebos that are making waves in the market. Number 1. Gazebo Alexander Hardtop Gazebo. First up, the Gazebo Alexander Permanent Hardtop Gazebo, renowned for its exceptional durability and resilience against challenging weather conditions. Crafted with a sturdy aluminum frame and galvanized steel roof, this gazebo is a fortress against the elements. Number 2. Purple Leaf Hardtop Gazebo. Next on our list is the Purple Leaf Hardtop Gazebo, featuring a robust shield against UV rays and rain. With a double-tiered roof and detachable curtains, it offers both protection and elegance in your backyard. Number 3. Sunjoy Cedar Wood Gazebo. Thirdly, the Sunjoy Cedar Wood Gazebo, a beautiful masterpiece that combines cedar wood, steel, and polycarbonate for a stunning yet durable structure. This gazebo is a testament to both strength and aesthetic appeal. Number 4. Backyard Discovery Saxony Wooden Grill Gazebo. If you're a grill aficionado, look no further than the Backyard Discovery Saxony Wooden Grill Gazebo. Its durable cedar build and spacious design make it the perfect companion for outdoor cooking and entertainment. Number 5. Coos Bay Cool Spot Soft Top Gazebo. Lastly, the Coos Bay Cool Spot Soft Top Gazebo, known for its easy setup and impressive sturdiness. This gazebo is equipped with zippered mesh sidewalls for both protection and ventilation, ensuring a comfortable outdoor experience. Whether you're seeking durability, elegance, or convenience, these top gazebos offer a variety of features to suit your outdoor needs. So, why wait? Transform your garden into a sanctuary with one of these exceptional gazebos today. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel as Gazebo.